really proud to be associated with this. It's a new game for India. I'm here to work for the first time, futsal. So we've been working on the song for the past 1 week, and you don't feel scared about it. So it's more like a rap, and a re-trigger kind of thing, so they don't have to be afraid of it. Hopefully I'll make it even bigger. And I'm also very happy to announce that Nama Chennai franchise owner is Rohit Ramesh, scion of the Hindu family.
Thank you so much. First of all, good afternoon everyone. Right now I'm under more pressure than I've ever been on the field because I'm sitting next to someone that we've all looked up to and admired growing up in this country. So many iconic moments from our childhood memories come from this man sitting, who I'm sitting next to. I won't say sitting next to. So yeah, when we decided to get this league together, it was a great idea. I'm very passionate for football myself, but unfortunately we don't have so many fields in the country to run leagues, at a different level. I know we have ISL and we've had local leagues in the country, but I think this is an opportunity for youngsters especially to come out and actually get involved in the sport, knowing that they have a league to look forward to and be a part of. And once you hear the names that have agreed to join the league, I think it's going to go off the roof. It has great potential. I'm delighted to be a part of the league. I don't want to say that, but I'll do whatever I can to contribute as much as I can. And about the video, let's not talk about it because I don't know how to prepare for it. I know how to prepare for cricket games, but why I say I'm sitting here intimidated and under a bit of pressure is because when we play, when we have events like the World Cup, we have a national anthem before the game starts.
Yeah.
And then during the game, as we are about to win, the only song that gets everyone together is Vande Mataram. And the version that he made is the only one that's played in the stadiums. And that's the only time, apart from the national anthem, that you hear 40,000-50,000 people sing that song. So I can connect to that song in a special way because the goosebumps that you get listening to that song sung by all the Indian people supporting you in the field is something that it's very hard to express.
And that energy.
And that version of that song is such that it makes you get involved. And that's the greatness of this man. That's always been so. It's a pleasure, sir, sitting next to you. Thank you so much.
I think you're enjoying your break from the game now.
I'm not bad. Not bad. I won't say I'm good or I'm very bad. I'm okay. I can manage. It's just a rap, as he said, so I don't have to worry about soul, taal and all that stuff. My favorite singer is Arijit Singh, and I'm enjoying time off the game. It's always nice to rest.
So you are singing first time, Mr. Viral. So how did you feel that this anthem you are singing now? So what is the easy bad or bad?
Bad.
Face.
Definitely bad. I don't know how far to hold the mic. Also, see if I hear me now. I'm very loud now. That's also a skill. So I'm more nervous of that. I don't know where to sing from. My voice is going to come in the mic or not. That's the pressure I'm feeling. So that is obviously much better for me, not the mic.
So you have often said that you look up to this team as a big fan. So tell us a bit more your interaction. What did you learn? Because you always say you try to learn from them.
I think the thing that stood out for me the most, we all have perceptions, we all have a basic idea of what a person would be like before you meet them. But when you actually interact without anyone watching or just at a very personal level, at a very basic level, you understand what the person is all about. And that's what surprised me. He's one of the biggest names in football and he's been such a great player in his generation. And he was so humble, he was so, he didn't want too many people helping him out with anything. He he wanted to do everything by himself, not bothered about anything, not, not having any sort of demands or nothing like that. He was so normal, and that's something that I love, and that's something to learn, from. Even when I met Rahman sir just now, it's, how basic, as they say, the higher you go, the more humble you should be. So that's what we learn from all these legends. I always love meeting them because that's the most common factor in any legendary sportsman, musician in their fields. You see them, you meet them, and then it's a totally different scenario of what you think and what you see. So I totally love meeting Louis Lee.
Can we expect you to perform the same way the West Indies? And will you sit on the 5 bowler theory?
No,
You say, can you expect? Do you expect or not? That's up to you. I mean, how can I say how to expect it?
we would appreciate no other sport.
Swing Gavaskar in 78, 79 was the same form like you are now. And even Sachin Tendulkar in 98, 99. If you see you playing now, same.
So,
If you
as
what question is, will the law ever just catch up? Or you think it will continue the same fashion? And the second question is, will you get...
so before you repeat your question, as I mentioned earlier, we
that's fine.
would not. Yeah, that's fine.
Second part is what?
Will you continue the 5 bowler theory?
See, the 5 bowler theory all depends on the conditions we're playing in, the kind of bowlers we have in the squad. I will not disclose my plans here, obviously, because we still have one to go, and I don't want the opposition to start planning already. So that's the answer to your second question. The answer to your first question is very simple. If you can guarantee me an account of what you're going to do for the next 1 month and say this is going to happen at this date, at this time, I'll give you a complete answer of your first question. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen in 2 hours from now. Something unusual might happen, so you're asking me about something that is going to happen after a month. Even I'm waiting to find out. I'll be playing after a month. Let's see how it goes. My effort is always to, the intention is always to give 120% of the field, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Results are not in your hands, but you can only play with honesty, and that's what I'm going to try to do.